brown color, black color, orange color, green color, red color, yellow color, black color, Z for grass, G for grapes. Green color is for horse, is for house. Red color I for igloo, I for ice cream. Orange color Z for shoes, Z for jackfruit. Yellow color K for kite, K for kangaroo. Brown color L for light.